Good morning, world changers, history makers, pesetas. How are you? It's Keroy here. How is everybody doing? Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Thank you for your emails. I'm doing my best to respond to you. And if you have any questions, as usual, email me and I'll be able to respond. And also, welcome to the group. We have a Facebook group for mentorship and coaching. So if you like these videos, you should join the group. There is plenty more. We have a full archive. This is a membership group, paid members and serious members only. If you want to transform, make a difference, this is the group for you. Today I have an interesting topic and it's about integrity. Someone in the Eagles coaching group posted something about integrity which was so nice. I figured I should share with you. And when you think of integrity, we have to think about honesty, trustworthiness, and consistency. Those are the words that make the meaning integrity. Integrity is means wholeness. Wholeness in yourself. So while you're out there doing what you're doing, accomplish goals, just doing daily life, think about having integrity in the things you do, activities you perform. And go a step further and have integrity in yourself. And something about having integrity in yourself is, do you believe the things you say? Do you do the things you say? If you set a goal for yourself, do you actually do it? Because that means you need to have integrity with yourself to follow through with the things you say you want to accomplish. So integrity is a very interesting characteristic that we have to all embody and actually have in order to make a real difference in our lives. There's an interesting book that I read a long time ago. Actually, it's called Integrity by Henry Cloud. Henry Cloud is an awesome author. He also authored Boundaries. If you don't know how to set boundaries, that's a good book for you. So today I'm encouraging you, have integrity. Hi John Paul, where are you from? Welcome. Leave a comment below. So I'm encouraging you to have integrity in yourself, have integrity in the things you do, all the activities, because it's the small the small lack of character things that will spoil the whole vine, you see. So work on those little things and start slow, because this is like a muscle that you have to actually build. Slowly but surely you start building the muscle, and before you know it, you're better and you actually walk in integrity and character the whole way. Anyway, this is Mother Eagle, as always, just giving you a piece of my mind. And as always, welcome to the group. Leave a message below if you want to be part of the group. Just write the word group and I'll send you some information. Yes, iron sharpens iron. Till tomorrow, this is Keroy. Bye.